guys, this is Scott Leroy Marketing, and today we're going to take a look at the Kelle app. Alright, so that way we can actually take a look at something pretty cool that just came out. It's called Kelle Snap. Now, based on the labs back here, just looking at it, it says Kelle Snaps are currently available for about 14,000 current users. I'm also a member of the Kelle Command Contact Management. They've got 14,000 users on there too. So in this case, I definitely want to show you some of the cool stuff on here. I don't know if you'll be able to utilize it quite yet, and it looks like it just came out last week, but regardless, it's still worth a shot to try it out to see if you can use it. Alright, but a Kelle Snap is basically a way of getting kind of like a market report. Alright, so it blatantly says on the back here, current feature focus, pull real-time market reports, share Kelle Snaps with clients, and it's also powered by Nextdoor neighborhood boundary data. Alright, and of course, I'm sure most of you guys are utilizing Nextdoor. You found out on Nextdoor, I became known as the guy that walks all the time. So I guess there are worse things you could be known as. I tend to pace around all day long, and I walk outside my neighborhood, and I guess I've got a name for it now. Alright, but on here, it's pretty cool. So as you can see, Kelle blatantly says, good to see you again, what can I do for you? So if I type inside Kelle Snap, and I put in Orlando, where I'm from, alright, it's pretty cool to actually come up and it'll give us different market snapshots for Orlando. So different kind of neighborhoods. So on here, Wedgefield, Orlando. There's a Kelle Snap for downtown Orlando. We have one for Waterford, Orlando, for the Waterford Lakes people out there. Alright, Bristol Park. So it's pretty cool how this actually pops up. So if I wanted one just over in my particular neighborhood, alright, I'll put in Coy Town. Let me see if I can do it backwards. Kelle Snap. I can imagine you can. Alright, so Coy Town is the name of my little subdivision over here. So as you can see, 18 active listings, 64 on market average. So we're well below how many are typically on the market. And then you get the average price. So if I actually click on View Kelle Snap, alright, not only does it show me like here's the area as to where that Coy Town subdivision is located, but then I can actually see total active, total pending, average days on market, average listing price per square foot. Alright, so it's pretty cool. And there's even an expand all button, as you can see, right up here by current stats and sold stats. Alright, if I click on expand all for current stats, then average days on market, I can see active versus pending, and then average listing price, I can also see active versus pending. Alright, and same for average listing price per square foot. Alright, so it's pretty cool. I can actually take a look at that. And there are even filters on here, too, in case you want to filter anything out. Alright, so right now it's going from the past month, because I'm doing this on July 2nd. Alright, so it's pretty cool how you can actually take a look at everything. Alright, so I definitely wanted to show you how you can do the Kelle Snap on there. And also, if you ever click the I option at the top right for information, alright, it'll give you just some different items of what you can actually do on here. Alright, so it's pretty cool. So if I scroll up and down, I can actually view, general questions, how I can access the calendar on here. If you're in Kelle Command, you have to have that first in order to get to the calendar. You can add contacts, once again, if you have Kelle Command set up. You can view referrals, connect, CGI, listings. The listings one is very cool. Alright, I do like this. Oh, I need to call that person. Alright, well, I'm glad to know that message just came over. They must have called the other number. Alright, well, now you get to see that on here. Alright, so as you can see, what listings do I have? What are my listings? Show me listings in Austin, Texas. So I like that. So now I can actually come back over here. So if I'm on the go, I can just type in show Orlando listings. Alright, and voila! Yes, I got that information. I'll contact back. So as you can see, alright, listings. There are 55,059 results on here. So if I click on the View All option, then I can actually view all the different listings on here. As you can see, we have some that are sold. So if I come over here, I can filter different items out. Alright, so I can actually look at different areas on here. I can search. So it's pretty cool. I got it, Leah. Thank you. Alright, so I can actually go through and search for whatever it is I might be looking for. Alright, so I like being able to take a look at all this. It's really nifty how you can actually check everything out. So it's great to actually see, which ones are active, which ones are sold. It's fantastic just to kind of show other people as well. Alright, so I really like how that actually pops up. Alright, so it's pretty cool what you can actually do with Kelle. So start to utilize Kelle. It's going to be your AI assistant. It's basically like an admin for you. Alright, and it's just getting smarter. That's the best part about it. The more you use it, and the more data that you send back to it, even if it doesn't understand the question, it'll start to learn, and it'll start to understand, so then they can put inside the program, hey, this is what people are looking for, so it can help you out even further. So there you go. So utilize Kelle, and also don't forget to click that little bell icon, because more likely you might have some notifications, including people that want to join your referral network. So I probably need to come over here and click on this. I like Rob's on here. Thank you for coming to Little Rock. You're more than welcome. I'm going to accept you just because you put that on there. Alright, so there we go. So that is your little overview of the Kelle Snap. And one final thing, you don't have to put Kelle Snap on there. You can literally put inside Market Report Orlando. Alright, so you don't have to put Kelle Snap, but as you can see, here's the the snapshot nearest you. So as you can see, Kelle Snap for Koi Town, because I'm doing this from my home office. So there you go. So it's pretty cool. Awesome. Alright, so that is your MyKW tip for the day.